Hi everyone, good evening. This is Gamal here and I'm a functional medicine health coach. And what I'm going to do today is show you a very simple, quick recipe. Now this recipe is, the days when you don't feel like having a shake, you want something more than a shake, but you want something lesser than a big breakfast. So I think this is going to fit in because it works well for me. And it's very fast because we're all rushed in the morning, and it's something that you can prepare now. It's 5 p.m. in Perth, Western Australia. So if I'm going to prepare it now, I'm going to have it tomorrow morning. So there are lots of options with this, and it's simple, quick. And if you can see, I've only got 4 ingredients, so really, really good. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's grain-free, it's protein-rich, so it's awesome. So what I've done is, the coconut milk is already boiling and I've put a bit of, I'm just going to show it to you. Alright, the coconut milk is just boiling and I am going to add the quinoa flakes. Alright, I'm going to quickly add it in and I am going to start, just stir it in. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. And so I started the fire before we turned it on, the camera on, and that was 1 minute before. So it really just takes 2 minutes before the coconut milk boils. And with that, I'm going to lower the fire even more. And I'm going to put in a dash. I was just very careful with the dash, so that's alright. So I'm just going to show it to you again. Alright, so that's what it is. So just keep cooking it a bit more. It depends on what kind of porridge consistency you love. And you want it thick, you want it thinner, that's up to you. But just keep stirring it and it's done. So it's like 3 minutes and it's done. Alright, so if you look at the consistency, it's become thicker now. Alright, and you can go on a bit more. Alright. And so I'm going to let it cool and put it in the fridge. And what I'll do tomorrow morning is I might just add, okay, so that's good. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so that's done. And I'm going to just leave it here. Just 4 ingredients: quinoa flakes, cinnamon, salt, and coconut milk. You can also use almond milk. It's up to you what your taste buds prefer. So as simple as that. And I had mine this morning with roasted desiccated coconut. You could have it with coconut flakes. And tomorrow, when I give you my recipe, I have options for toppings. So look out for that. There's a bonus there. And so before I end, look, if this recipe it's gonna work for you, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart. And if it's, someone who's trying to have a quick breakfast, a vegan-free breakfast, a grain-free breakfast, this is something for them. It works for children because you can put berries in, you can put maple syrup in, it's gonna be yum. I'm saying that because I've got a sweet tooth. Okay, and so that's me, Gamal. I'm a functional medicine health coach. I help women lead healthy lifestyles, reduce stress, optimal weight, and that's what I do. And I hope to see you soon. All right, catch you again. Bye.